Guys, welcome to Talking Money with Noazi, Personal Finance Made Simple. Today's video is about my third and final tax-free savings account deposit and investment for 2023. Just a brief reminder of what a TFSA is for those who have forgotten or those that don't know what it is. A tax-free savings account, or TFSA, is a special type of account that was introduced in South Africa by National Treasury in 2015. There are three different types of tax-free savings accounts. The first type of TFSA is a cash-based bank account. These are the tax-free savings accounts that you get from your banks like ABSA, Standard Bank, FNB, etc. Personally, I don't like cash-based tax-free savings accounts because they only pay you interest. There are no dividends and there is no capital growth with a cash-based tax-free savings account. The second type of TFSA is one which allows you to invest in unit trusts. You deposit money into your TFSA first, then you use that money to buy unit trusts. You get these types of tax-free savings accounts from asset managers like Allan Gray, Coronation, Stanlib, etc. Unit trusts are better than cash, but I also don't like them because most of them have high management and advisor fees. The third type of tax-free savings account, which is also my favorite, is one which allows you to invest in exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, that are sold on the stock market. That's the type of TFSA that I have with Easy Equities. ETFs pay you dividends and they also give you capital growth, which makes them superior compared to just cash sitting inside of a bank account. You are allowed to transfer your money from one TFSA into another TFSA, but please make sure that it is a transfer, not a withdrawal, otherwise you will be penalized. Tax-free savings accounts are very different from normal savings accounts. Firstly, you can only deposit a maximum of 36,000 Rand between 1 March of one year and 28 February the following year. If you deposit 6,000 Rand this month, for example, your remaining annual deposit limit drops to 30,000 Rand. If you deposit 6,000 Rand next month, your remaining annual limit drops to 24,000 Rand, and so on. Secondly, the maximum contribution limit in your lifetime is 500,000 Rand. If you deposit and invest the maximum of 36,000 Rand every year, you're going to reach your lifetime limit of 500,000 Rand after approximately 13 years and 8 months of investing. Please note that the 36,000 annual limit as well as the 500,000 lifetime limits cannot be renewed once they are used. This also applies to your children as well. For example, let's say you deposit the maximum 36,000 Rand into your TFSA this month, and then you decide to withdraw all of that money for some reason. You will not be allowed to put it back because you have already used up your deposits for the year. Not only do your deposits affect your annual limit, they also affect your lifetime limit. If you deposit 36,000 Rand into your TFSA or your child's TFSA today, your remaining annual deposit limit drops to 0. This means you cannot deposit any more money until next year, March. And your lifetime limit drops from 500,000 to 464,000. And this cannot be reversed and it cannot be renewed. This is why you should be very, very careful how you use tax-free savings accounts, especially when it comes to your children's TFSA, because once you use up their limits, they may never be able to deposit any more money into their TFSA, even when they become adults. It's better not to use your TFSA or your kids' TFSA as a normal savings or transaction account, but rather use it strictly for long-term investing. What are the benefits of a tax-free savings account? The first benefit is that there is no tax on all South African dividends and any interest that you earn inside your TFSA. The second benefit is that there is no capital gains tax when you sell any of your investments and withdraw your money. But guys, you will only enjoy the full benefits of using a tax-free savings account if you invest for the long term, not if you use it for short-term saving. Now that I've explained what a TFSA is, how it works, and the benefits, let me show you my final TFSA deposit and investment for the year 2023. All right, guys, time to invest in my tax-free savings account. And of course, this is my last deposit for this tax year. And remember, guys, the tax year starts in March of one year and it finishes February the following year. So for this current tax year that we're in, I've already maximized my TFSA. I will, however, still be receiving dividends throughout the year. Remember, I've said it before, dividends, interest, any growth that happens within your TFSA is not counted towards your deposit limits. So let's get started with my investments, all holdings. I'm going to start with core shares, Total World, buy more, and I am going to buy 5,510 Rand and 12 cents. Okay, so what I did is 12,000 is the money that I deposited, but the 510 Rand and 12 cents, those were dividends that I received from Satrix 40, Satrix Divi, as well as core shares Total World. And I've decided to use the dividends to buy the core shares Total World because I want to really build up this position as well. So that will give me approximately 448.71 ETFs, only buy at ask and place by order. The next ETF that I'm buying is FNB or First Rand Global 1200. Buy more, and with that, I am buying 2,000 Rands worth. That's going to give me approximately 27.07 ETFs, only buy at ask and place by order. Next is Satrix 40, buy more. I'm buying 2,000 Rand worth of Satrix 40 as well. That'll also give me approximately 27.41 ETFs, only buy at ask, place by order. Next is going to be Satrix Divi, and I'm buying 1,000 Rand worth of Satrix Divi. Buy more. 1,000 Rand. That'll give me approximately 347.23 ETFs. Place by order. And then last but not least is going to be Signia S&P 500. Buy more with the rest of the money. That'll give me approximately 26.01 ETFs. Only buy at ask, place by order. Okay, looks like it's done. Let's have a look. Account overview. I think some of them have not gone through. If I go under pending orders, yep, 4 of them haven't gone through. Only Satrix 40 has been bought. Once the price matches the order price, then my transactions are going to go through. And that's it, guys. I have done my investments for the month. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any comments or questions, please type them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Also, if you want to start investing in ETFs like me, but you've got no clue where to start, you can go to my online store, talkingmoneywithnozi.com, and grab copies of my ebooks for beginner investors. I'm going to leave the link to my online store in the description as well as in the comment section below. Please remember to like my video and to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.